everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the secret achievement that called Pop Star in Heartopia. So unlocking this achievement is actually pretty simple. What you need to do is get a total of 100 likes on your house. When your house reaches 100 likes overall, the Pop Star achievement, this achievement will automatically be unlocked. And now here's a small trick to speed things up. You can ask your friends to visit your house and give it a like every day. And you can also like your own house, but remember each player can only give one like per house per day, so it's not something you can spam. And then next, just keep repeating this daily routine with your friends, like visiting, liking, and then supporting each other house. And over time those likes will add up until you finally hit the 100 total likes needed. And then after that you can unlock this achievement, the pop star achievement. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.